Up first is a Dominator, instant slice, 7 shots, gold lace, packed 10-1. Number 2 is also an instant slice, 7 shots, white mines and red lace, packed 10-1. Number 3 is a 7-shot instant slice, white lace, packed 10-1. Number 4 is this instant slice, 2-inch 9-shot Z-shaped green mines to color changing horsetail, packed 4-1.
What was that, Brian?
5 times.
What was that?
I was going to say that one's only packed 4-1 because of all the words, but no, it kicks ass. Number 5 is a 13-shot instant slice, ghost slice, red, blue, green, packed 8-1. Number 6 is an instant slice, 13-shot, ghost slice, blue, lemon, purple, packed 8-1.
Couldn't say yellow.
Number 7, 13-shot instant slice, special red strobe meteor with red strobe mines, packed 8-1.
Yeah, that's quality. Good duration.
Number 8 is an instant slice, 13-shot, special green strobe meteor with green strobe mines, packed 8-1. Number 9 is a 15-shot slice, ghost slice, red, white, blue, packed 6-1.
Very nice.
Number 10 is a 4-1 packed cake, 12 shots, Nishiki.
He's gonna hang. Leave me alone.
I would like to buy some of those.
Number 11 is a cake, 9 shots, long duration flower brocade, packed 4-1.
their brains come up with stuff like hurricane.
Number 12 is a 25-shot cake fan, instant crackle mines to crackle shells, packed 4-1.
Long duration.
Nobody likes crackle, but everybody cheers. Marcus. Nobody likes crackle, but everybody loves it here.